How to fix login approval needed error on Facebook. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. It might be because of a glitch or a bug issue. To solve that, open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Then head to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Facebook. Force stop your application and head to storage and cache to clear up the cache. Once you are done from here, you can also press and hold onto your Facebook application to head to App Info and repeat the same process. Next step, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for your Facebook application. Tap on Facebook. And if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application to reinstall it once again. Now again, open up your phone setting, head back from all of here, scroll down and tap on System Update. Make sure your phone is up to date so that it can support the latest version of Facebook application. Also make sure that you are not connected to a VPN and your Wi-Fi speed is optimum. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.